$6 an hour for general assistant roles. This is paid on time daw. So, yung health insurance mo after 3 months, and then paid holidays, and then may bonus pay equivalent to 13 month, then paid time off after 3 months, and then support and coaching, and then room to grow as we grow. Kaya expect natin pag na-hire na tayo dito sa home service VA. Ito na tayo sa website ng Home Service VA. So, from home, click nyo tong careers. And then, nakalagay dito, work with Home Service VA. Be part of our growing company that helps home service business owners by hiring great virtual assistant. So, dito daw, pag na-hire ka, may permanent work from home, hire directly with the client, and become a virtual assistant. So, we are not your typical agency. So, nagsusupport sila. Meron silang work community for all employees. Tapos, meron silang i-add ka nila dito sa Facebook eh. So, itatanong nila yung Facebook account mo. So, meron silang aside sa company, meron pa silang binuong community para sa mga employees nila. And then, we are committed. And then, ayun nga. So, very transparent naman sila. $6 an hour yung salary mo, diba? And then, we love our male and female employees. But as a woman-owned company, we understand the unique challenges women face in the working world and seek to support and empower our family employees to become empathetic leaders in our company and their communities. So, ano nga ba yung expect natin pag na-hire na tayo dito sa home service VA? So, first, ito, nakalagay salary, starting. So, starting. So, eventually, mag-i-increase to, madadagdagan to, no? So, $6 an hour for general assistant roles. This is paid on time daw. So, yung health insurance mo after 3 months, and then paid holidays, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Day, and Good Friday. And then may bonus pay equivalent to 13 month. Then paid time off after 3 months. And then support and coaching. And then room to grow as we grow. So, ayun, you may be excited but don't apply yet. Keep reading. We are looking to work with only the best people. O, wag kayong wag kayong ma-intimidate dito sa only the best people, Kasi, naman silang mag-accept or mag-hire ng mga newbie. Then, yun lang yung mga basic traits na hinahanap nila. Honest, integrity, kindness, and generosity, and patience. Tayo dito, are most of the following statements about you true? So, dito, ito, basahin nyo na lang. Self-explanatory naman na ito. Ito yung mga skills na hinahanap nila as a VA. So, ayan, ito, basahin natin tong isa. You usually think ahead considering the possibilities, considering the possible outcomes of different actions. So, nagtithink ahead ka daw, mabilis ka daw mag-isip. And then, willing to offer solution and ideas to the team. And then, ito ka, you are comfortable with ambiguity and change. So, mabilis ka mag-adapt. Then, yung iba, i-read nyo na lang. Basahin nyo na lang, guys. If this sounds like you, keep reading. We are currently looking to fill the following position. So, ito yung general. So, meron silang tatlo. Yung general virtual assistant. Ito yung $6 an hour. Not sure lang kung magkano yung rate ng executive virtual assistant at yung sales assistant. Well, then, andito yung mga job responsibilities ng pagiging general virtual assistant: file management, email management, calendar management, travel management, finances, collaboration with internal teams. Tapos ng executive virtual assistant naman, ito parang ano lang siya talaga, no? Para kang secretary sa isang office. Yun lang nga, pagkakaiba niya is work from home ka. Lahat ng trabaho mo, responsibilities mo, gagawin mo with your laptops or computer. So, andito basic research, scheduling, travel management, and then nandito tayo sa sales virtual assistant. Ito parang more on phone calls naman to. Handle sales calls, basic social media management, customer support. Ito, parang siyang pang call center. Kung may ano ka, no, kung may experience ka as call center, siguro pwede ito sa'yo, for you. We only accept applications submitted through our website form. So, kung decided ka na, pwede mo na itong i-click. Dito, makikita yung mga testimony ng mga Filipino virtual assistant nila. Basahin nyo na lang yan. Then, submit an application. Then, dadalhin ka niya dito sa application form. I-read mo daw muna before ka mag-proceed para at least alam mo yung ginagawa mo, girl. Okay. So, ayan. Nakalagay dito, home service is always on the lookout for talented Filipino VAs like you. We offer our contractors a fair starting wage, and we are committed to helping you improve yourselves, your skills, and your way of life. So, after mo daw mag-submit ng application, you need to wait for 5 to 7 business days sa respond nila. So, mag-i-email sila if for interview na kayo. Tapos yun, always check your inbox and spam folder. Tapos ito mga basic info lang naman, pangalan, apelido, birthday mo, email, mobile number. Then ito yung sinasabi ko, yung meron silang community nila. Hihingin nila yung profile mo, yung Facebook profile mo, para i-add ka nila dun sa VA support group nila. And then dito, may kailangan ka lang i-attach. Like yung picture mo, then yung updated resume mo, yung FSET certificate mo. Itong FSET certificate, kailangan pumunta dito sa site na to. Kailangan mo mag-test. And then yung certificate na yun, download mo, then attach mo siya dito sa application mo. Dito din sa internet speed test result, kailangan mo pumunta dito sa site na to para i-test yung internet speed mo sa bahay. Then, download mo yung certificate or yung result, then i-attach mo lang dito sa application mo, then click submit na. So, yon sa mga planong mag-apply, try, do your best. Mag-research kayo kung wala kayong masyadong alam and then ito yung pinaka-importante pala dito na overlook ko, na masasabi ko na kahit newbie kayo or wala kayong experience ay pwede kayong mag-apply. Ito, we are looking for VAs who are consistent, honest, transparent, and reliable. VA experience is a plus, but not required. So, kung interesado kayo, try nyo na mag-apply and maybe, diba, just do your best. Galingan nyo sa application nyo. Good luck!